flood warning for the following county: San Bernardino, California. The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a flash flood warning for San Bernardino County in Southern California, West Central Clark County in Southern Nevada, until 12:30 a.m. PDT. At 9:19 p.m. PDT, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain along a line from Sandy Valley to take up moving south. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. This will impact Highway 127 as well as Kingston Road. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, creeks, normally dry washes and roads. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Baker, Dumont Dunes, Takapa, SR 127 near Dumont Dunes, Sandy Valley, and Good Springs.
Nothing has changed. You may just don't give a damn about how we went and feel.
Boy, that's not true.